Hello Year 2 and welcome to your maths lesson for today. Are you ready to get your brains warmed up for maths? Okay, take a look at these numbers. Let's see if you can sort them into odd numbers and even numbers. Remember, odd numbers will either end in a 1, a 3, a 5, a 7 or a 9, and even numbers will either end in a 0, a 2, a 4, a 6 or an 8. Pause the video while you sort these numbers into odd numbers and even numbers. Okay, let's check. First of all, we'll find the odd numbers. Number 7 is an odd number. Number 25 is an odd number because it ends in a 5. Number 81 is an odd number because it ends in a 1. Number 49 is an odd number because it ends in a 9. So the other numbers that we've got left must be the even numbers. Okay, you can see that we have number 12. 12 ends in a 2, so that means that number 12 is an even number. If we look over here at 36, 36 ends in a 6, so that means it's an even number. And 74 ends in a 4, so that also makes it an even number. Okay, Year 2, we're going to move on to the main part of our maths lesson today. And our learning objective for today is to make equal groups by sharing. Okay, we need to have a little look at these sets of groups now. Pause the video while you work out if you can see groups that are equal or not equal. Right, question 1. There are 3 bowls of fish. Each bowl has 4 fish, so the bowls are equal. Question 2. Look carefully at this one because we have sets of blocks. This set, and this set is made up of 4 blocks, but this set over here is only made up of 3 blocks, so these groups are not equal. And finally, question 3, look at these arrays at the bottom. Each array has 6 counters in it, so that means that we can see 3 equal groups. Let's see if we can share these oranges between these 2 plates. First of all, let's check to see how many oranges we have altogether. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we're going to try now to see if we can share these oranges, these 12 oranges, equally between these 2 plates. Let's try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you can see now that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 oranges on each plate. Okay, so we've shared 12 oranges altogether. There are 12 oranges altogether. There are 2 plates and there are 6 oranges on each plate. Can you share the 12 oranges equally onto 3 plates? Pause the video and have a little think and see if you can work it out. Okay, let's go through this together. Let's share our 12 oranges equally onto 3 plates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Did you work it out? Did you work out that you'd have 4 oranges on each plate? So that means if we share 12 equally between 3 plates, we have 4 on each plate. When we share in maths, we are dividing. We can show we are dividing by using this sign here. We are now going to share these 6 pineapples between these 3 groups. If we were to write that as a number sentence, we would say 6 divided by 3. Pause the video and see if you can work out the answer to that. Okay, let's go through it together. Let's share the pineapples equally between these 3 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's think about this again. We started off with 6 and we divided our 6 pineapples into 3 groups. And you can see that in each group we have 2 pineapples. So 6 divided by 3 equals 2. Have a go at this now. Perhaps you could work it out on a piece of paper before we go through it together. 9 divided by 3, or 9 shared by 3. Okay, let's go through it together. You can see we have 9 smiley faces. Let's share those 9 smiley faces between our 3 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you can see that we've got 3 smiley faces in each group. So 9 divided by 3 equals 3. It's over to you now. The activities for today. Number 1, if you would like more practice, you can complete the day 1 practice sheet. Number 2, if you are feeling confident, you could complete the day 1 extended division sheet. Remember, you can use resources from home like Lego, toy cars or crayons to help you divide the numbers equally. Number 3, when you have finished, you can play the coconut odd and even game. The link is attached to this post. And an extra challenge for those children who love doing maths. See if you can divide these numbers between 3 equal groups and write the number sentences to go with them. Number 18, number 15 and number 24. Pause the video while you go off to do one of the activities. Plenary time. Ron draws this bar model to divide 20 into 4 equal groups. How does his model represent this? Have a little look and a little think and pause the video while you think about your answer. You can see that Ron has started off with 20. He shared that 20 into 4 equal groups. In each group, he has 5. We could write this by saying 20 divided by 4 equals 5.